Fact number 1. India has the wettest inhabited place on the earth. Meghalaya village is currently the wettest place on the earth. It has 11,087 milliliters of rain annually and it rains up to 6 months. Fact number 2. India has over 3 lakh mosques and over 2 million Hindu temples. About 50% of Indian population is Muslim and others are Hindus. There are famous mosques in India like Mega Masjid in Hyderabad and Jama Masjid in New Delhi. The popular board game Snake and Ladders was originally originated in India. This board game was first played to teach a lesson about karma for young children for better understanding. Fact number 4. India was the only country to mine diamonds from 4th century BC for around 1000 of years. India was the only source for diamonds. The original diamonds were found on Krishna River Delta, and after 18th century it began to found in various other places. Fact number 5. Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world. The regarding to Hinduism is belief in one God Brahma with Vishnu and Shiva, who is the creator and destroyer of the universe, became the three Murtis. Fact number 6. India has 22 recognized languages. The numerous languages are Kashmiri, Bengali, Assamese, etc. And Sanskrit is known as the mother of all language and is also God language. Fact number 7. India has the highest population of vegetarians. It is estimated that 29% of India's population follow a strict diet and are pure vegetarians. Fact number 8. In some places in India, Coke and Pepsi are used as pesticides. In Chhattisgarh, which is one of the most rice-producing country of the world, farmers began to spray Pepsi and Coke in the fields, which is cheaper and more effective. Fact number 9. Kumbh Mela is very important festival of India. It comes in time interval of 12 years. A lot of people gathered here for this festival and thus is visible from the space. Fact number 10. Varanasi is the most ancient surviving city of the world. The Holy of Varanasi is also known as Banaras or Kashi, is believed one of the most oldest living city of the world. It was also home for goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. Fact number 11. You must have heard about Ayurveda and Yoga. In addition to well-known holists in India, Varanasi is also known as the birthplace of Ayurveda and Yoga in their healing system. Fact number 12. Around 70% of the world's spices come from India. India is the largest producers of the spice. Some of the best known spices are turmeric, chili powder, etc. India has currently the tallest statue of the world by the height of 60 feet. It became the tallest statue of the world. It is built on Gujarat and by comparison it is twice of Statue of Liberty. Fact number 14. India was the first country to refine and consume sugar. India was the first country where sugar was extracted, refined and used in cooking. When people tasted it, quickly spread all over the world. Fact number 15. Shampoo is originally originated in India. The word shampoo was coined from the Sanskrit word shampoo, means massage. The first idea of shampoo was started by mixing general herbs in water.